Hi there, welcome back to Alpha Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos. I try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about MarketSurge, which is basically a platform that helps you with SEO and marketing. Okay, it helps you with the ranking higher up on the search engines. Okay, so first of all, it's a very clear headline right here, and even the sub-headline goes more in depth about the specific services that they offer to potential prospects. And here you can go more in depth about specifically what they do to support you as a customer. Okay, and then if we scroll down, they go more in depth about the SEO services and the ad services. So they have a lot of services that they offer to clients. If you scroll down to see the important things, you've got a lot of, I guess, you know, potential credibility elements. It might have been helpful to actually add more reviews, but they do have some credibility here in terms of all the places where it's been featured. Okay, and here they've got more testimonials in terms of the people that have actually used this software, and they've all left some glowing reviews with 5 stars, which is really good for credibility. And the good thing that they do here as well, they've added some frequently asked questions to handle any objections that a prospect might have before purchasing the software, which is really good. And they are also asking you for um for your contact details, which is good to increase the opt-ins. And they give you some reasons to do that, or potentially giving some a little bit better of a lead magnet might help with the opt-ins. If we go to pricing, we can see that they have a very clear pricing structure, which is good, and any prospect can go and choose the specific tier that works best for them, right? Which is really good. And other than that, I think this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, click on the link down below in the description and book a call with me to see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a nice day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.